In my day job, I run a small design consultancy and have done for the last 30 years, working essentially in the healthcare arena. And we've done things such as launching the world's first multi-link stent back in the 90s, along with the world's first implantable defibrillator and so on along with lots of other medical devices and new drug therapies. Well, I set out with the view of creating this company so that we could also invent our own healthcare devices, mostly software based. But I realized that in order to see any form of success, we needed to use our experience and any networks we had to gain any form of traction. And it's a constant in our business lives. What we were putting out there was an invention to help with the deployment of social prescribing. So it's really a communication tool via an app to begin with. The key is doing your homework beforehand, and better still, getting someone to help you do it. As Andrew said, ask other people. But I think the best thing of all that we've done is to exploit the activities of people like Smartline and Epic and the Southwest Academic Health Science Network in immediately putting us in touch with the people that really know about this in this particular area. You just need to take part. You need to take part in a network in order to gain any traction there. And so what we ended up doing was marrying up our own homework with the work that Seb, who I think is on the call as well, with Seb and Andrew's methodical research methods, which of course we could never afford in a normal sense as a small company, because these are very expensive, time-consuming activities. But James and Smartline, of course, were able to facilitate that, and we were able to really clarify the various networks we thought we were part of. But more importantly, we were able to see how they overlapped with one another. So the enormous Venn diagram emerged, which showed how there were links we weren't even aware of, or were not focused on, let's say, because we hadn't realized just how closely related some of the folks within those networks really are. And as Andrew and Seb applied their skills to that ever-emerging picture, we were able to see the overlap, see the interrelation, but importantly, we could, as a small business, we could see what should we really focus on in the network. So it enabled us to concentrate our time and limited budgets on those things which we could see were most likely to now be more successful for us in terms of leading us to the next goal and the next step.